Yeah, I've been just picking on pieces of you. Think about how can I do you?
Hello and welcome back to my channel, Simply Queen by Sherelle. That's me, the modern day seamstress. So in this video, I am going to do a very quick review of all my makes from 2022. The first few items are custom wool wraps that I made from some fabric that I purchased from the Fabric Hut in Norfolk, Virginia. The next couple of pieces after that are custom embroidery items. The Walmart vest was for my brother. This piece featuring a Honda Civic was for my niece. She named her car Storm. And here she is pictured. It was a big year for her. She was a graduating senior. These are all custom embroidery pieces for clients. This was for someone's grandson. This was probably my hardest custom embroidery piece, pictured there. Thanks, Big Mike, for your business. Now this piece was for one of my biker friends. Her club name is Black Cherry, and there she is modeling it. And you will see the next model with her custom jacket on. This was the official Juneteenth logo for my hometown, Annapolis. I did this for the president of that organization. This was for a company, black-owned business out of Upper Marlboro, Maryland. This piece here, one of my clients ordered it for someone, the makeup artist who was doing her makeup for her upcoming wedding. And I thought that was a cool idea, so she gave it as a gift. This was 100% silk. It was a two-piece. This was another dress for the same client. This little cute number. One of my faithful clients rocking her custom make. This was for one of my closest friends, and I kind of did some mending work to a quilt and customized it. As I said earlier, this was a big year for my niece, and that's my brother and sister-in-law. Another big year for my nephew. He was a graduating senior as well. This is my son and a custom piece that I did. That's the front of the vest. And so I was at a temporary housing location over the summer, and I packed a few of my machines, and so I did these custom pieces for myself because I was just feeling that I gotta sew something itch. So I made two custom pieces for myself. And here I am modeling the one piece. I have not had the opportunity to wear it yet. More custom embroidery pieces. So this fabric is absolutely stunning. It was $150 a yard, y'all. So fabric with this type of price tag on it, and as delicate as it was, I used gloves when working with it. This is my beautiful model. It was her 50th birthday, and her husband pulled this together for her. It was a joy to sew, but never again will I work with sequins. These sweatshirts I did for my granddaughters for Christmas, and my son hanging out in my studio, where you will hear
like
him
$2.
asking for a couple dollars. And this wraps up my review, everyone. Thank you for watching.